Hey guys, so Blast has launched their airdrop campaign. So I'm gonna do all the steps. I was about to complete some, but I thought let's do it by recording the video. Okay, invitation code you can get from the Blast Discord. You will click here and you will move to the um, Discord app, and you will get there. Click next, and then you need to read this, and then you need to click on deposit Ethereum. So but remember that you won't be able to withdraw your coins before February 2024, which is in 2 months, maybe 2 to 3 months, you can say. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I will just write here 0.3, which is around I guess $30, so I can take the risk of that. But make sure that this will be a bit tricky. I'm just giving a step-by-step guide, so you need to do your due diligence before you do that, but I'm gonna do in front of you guys. Okay, withdrawal enable in February, it is showing that, and continue. And also, by the way, it will not be just this one. Okay, see, $10 is the Ethereum fees which I have to pay, so in total it is around $40, which I am taking risk. Okay, so it will get confirmed in a bit. By the way, when you're doing this airdrop, you need to link to through the Twitter and also to Discord, and the third one would be with your wallet. Since I have already done that, so that's why it was the last step, which was to deposit Ethereum. So it is just waiting. I think I have already done the confirmation. My goodness. What just happened? Let's check this. Okay, it is yep, it has been deposited. Let's see what is going on here. Your Ethereum, okay, yeah, it has been deposited already. So we will go back to interact and click on verify. It will verify. Yeah, it has been verified. So the next thing you need to do is invite the friends, and you can do that by giving them codes. So I will send you guys I will drop the codes in the comment box, so you can join through those invite links. Okay, and then you can share. Okay, next thing will be mark as completed, and then we need to follow them on Twitter. I guess I have already. Okay, so that is interact one, verify, and last one is Discord. I have already joined interact, so I will just click on verify and it will verify. So once this is done, yeah, this has been completed. Okay, in case if you want to share the link, so you will get some extra XPs. Just go here and copy the you actually can copy any link, and it will give you don't need to share this thing. Okay, I received that. So now this task is completed. So that's it for today, guys. Until next time, take care.